There may be some difference. Which country hosted the 2012 Olympic Games? This is the answer of. This is the Burj Khalifa is the highest skyscraper. Do you know the name of the country who hosted Olympic Games in 2012? Don't write in vain, okay? Write the sensible answer. No. Question 5. Yes. Who is the Prime Minister of our country? Okay, very good. Suryanshu. Which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest. Very good. So these are special names. Such kind of special names are called proper nouns. Okay. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. जो अभी आपने एक्सरसाइज की है, you have written some special names. Name of prime minister, name of country, name of building, name of mountain. So these are the special names. So special names are called proper nouns. Special names are called proper. Mute yourself. Nouns. Right. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. You know there are small letters, capital letters. Okay. So use capital letter to start a proper noun. For example, Mount Everest. Right. Or Mr. Narendra Modi. Use capital letter. First letter should be capital. Narendra Modi. Name of country, China. Name of city, Gaya. Name of person, Priyanshu. Etc. ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स जो कि स्पेशल नेम्स होते हैं, चाहे वो किसी प्रधानमंत्री का नाम हो, प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नेम हो, नेम ऑफ सिटी हो, नेम ऑफ कंट्री हो. All these are called proper nouns. Now, worksheet 4. I hope that you have written this in your notebook. If you have written, raise your hand. Firstly, lower your hand, and if you have written, lower your hand. Then we will proceed and learn collective nouns. This is very interesting. A lot of things are there, group of things are there, group of persons are there, and we can write The name of that group is Sunbird. Oh, who is shouting? Good afternoon, Shivangi. You are a little bit late, but no problem. म्यूट 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 करेंगे. ना अपना म्यूट कर लीजिए पार्टिसिपेंट. कहाँ से आवाज आ रही है? Only raise your hand if you want to share something. Now tell me. Okay. One student has raised his hand, Dipanshu Anand. I hope that he has written. So some more students are raising their hands. Now let me clean the board for writing some more information. That is collective nouns. Collective nouns. When a noun stands for collection of persons, collection of persons or things. Persons, things, animals or things. It is called a collective noun. If you have not written this, I have told you already to write all these things in your classwork notebook. These are the definitions. If you have not written still, you can write now. Now let us see some examples. A bouquet. A string. Punch. Army. etc. ये एक पूरे ग्रुप का नाम होता है. एक वर्ड में लिखते हैं. बुके, ग्रुप ऑफ फ्लावर्स. स्ट्रिंग, group of pearls. Bunch, group of anything. It may be a bunch of keys. It may be a bunch of grapes. ओके जैसे अंगूर का जो गुच्छा होता है उसको भी हम बोलते हैं a bunch of grapes. और फिर जहां पर बहुत सारे सोल्जर होते हैं उस डिपार्टमेंट को हम एक वर्ड में आर्मी बोल सकते हैं. वेरी गुड सूर्यांशु. इफ यू हैव डन दैट्स वेरी गुड. सो नोट डाउन. लोअर योर हैंड and note down. Now see worksheet 6. Very good. Now write the answer of worksheet 6. A collection of words is given in worksheet 6. Write the answers in the chat box. A pride of, pride of, write in the chat box. Write in the chat box. A pride of lions. Worksheet 6. Pride of lions. A wardrobe of clothes. Wardrobe of clothes. A suite of rooms. A bouquet of flowers. A team of players. Pack of wolves. A gang of robbers. Lions, clothes, rooms, robbers, players, wolves, and robbers. These words are the collective nouns, right? I hope that all of you have completed your practice book up to worksheet. All the exercises are done in the class already. We have to revise again and again so that you can perform well in your periodic test first. Okay. So we will discuss worksheet 7 and do it yourself tomorrow once again. If you have not done, try to complete it. Okay. Very easy and very interesting chapter is this. That is naming words. You have learnt a lot of names for different things and different kinds of nouns. Okay. कॉमन नाउन, प्रॉपर नाउन एंड कलेक्टिव नाउन, ये सब आपने इस चैप्टर में सीखा. ठीक है. ओके. लेट अस डिस्कस. वी हैव 2 minutes लेफ्ट. आरव, you can unmute yourself if you want to say something. आरव चौधरी, स्पीक अप.
नो मैम, नो मैम, गलती से रेज हैंड हो गया.
Okay, lower your hand if you don't want to say. Any other student?
ओके मैम.
We have 2 minutes. We can discuss more exercises. Next exercise is related to worksheet 7. Worksheet 7. In worksheet 7, there is an add box. In add box, some words are written like soul, family, group, staff, audience, and queue. So in first में a line of people waiting for their turn to get into a bus. Write in the chat box. I will check there.
Q. U E. U U U U E.
Line of people waiting for their turn to get into a bus. The answer is